What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Hypnotic Lady. Today's company, I will be working with WestKissHair. They sent me an elastic band, brochure, how to take care of your wig. Y'all should already know how to take care of your wigs, but they showing y'all how to take care of your wigs. Once we get through that, they sent me a jumbo silk bonnets, super cute, chocolate brown inside, black, whichever one you like, how you like it. Wig cap, we not using those. And of course a silk bag to store your wig when you're done. So this is the wig. This is their 99J 13 by 4 lace. It is 200 density and 26 inches. It did come with combs and adjustable strap, and I did want to show you guys that the lace is transparent. Giving. Jumping right in, I'm going to go ahead and cut off my ear tabs, or around where my ears will be, where my sideburns will be. I'm going to take a rat tail comb and part a section right above my ear where I want my lace to lay, and I'm going to do this on both sides. Once you get the section parted out, I'm going to cut that with some scissors. I've been seeing people ask in the comments about this, so I wanted to show you guys what I did and how I cut it. Take your time, because this can make or break your frontal, literally. So take your time. Make sure you part out the right section before you start cutting, sis, for real. Next, I'm going to go in with some 70% alcohol and just clean the perimeter of my hairline, just because I did a full face of makeup. And you want to go ahead and get all that off. Then I'm going to go in with my Erica J Hold Me Down Skin Guard. I'm not going to be doing an adhesive install, but I just wanted to use that just in case. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Eben Wonder Lace Bond. This is their black bottle. I've never had this one before, so this one's new. We're going to try it out, but I did 2 to 3 like thin layers using the blow dryer in between until it got super tacky. And y'all, I can't say this Eben lace spray right here, this shit right here, this spray right here. No, I'm just playing. But this spray's pretty good. I usually use the red bottle, and this one's better than the red bottle. Like, it's tackier and it dries quicker. It's still the same consistency, I would say, like spraying wise. But as far as like drying and how fast, as fast as it dries, y'all, I'm getting tongue tied. And it lasting, the stickiness, it's definitely more sticky than the red bottle. And I'm gonna keep this wig on for a couple days, so we're gonna see how it hold up. But I've been seeing all the girls use this on YouTube, so I had to try it. Once you like the tackiness, I like the tackiness of mine, I'm going to go ahead and press this sucker in. I'm just gently going to pull everything forward, starting from the focusing on the forehead to temple, and then work my way to my ears, because, you know, you got to pull those a little bit if you want to look like scalp. And I'm going to use my rat tail comb to brush the lace, comb the lace into the adhesive, like so. You get what I'm saying. You see what I'm saying. You see what I'm saying. So once I do that, I want to make sure everything is adhered down. Take your time. Whatever's not adhered down, you just go back in with your blow dryer and lay it back down like this. This little piece was acting like it didn't want to lay down, so I just combed it right back into place, and then cut that heat on for a little quick second, and then it's sealed. The deal is sealed. So after this, I lost my dang footage because my camera got hot. So I'm going to come back to y'all with the lace cut already. And I just used some eyebrow razor and scissors like I always use. And now I'm going to pull out my baby hair. I'm going to do 2, little simple baby hairs. Nothing super dramatic like before. Y'all know I love me some dramatic baby hairs, but I did something simple this time. I'm going to pull those out on both sides, lay those down with some Nairobi setting foam, pull my handy dandy elastic band and my white strip, my little white wet strip, paper strip thing, the girls who know, the girls who get it, if you get it, you get it. But yeah, pulling out my baby hairs, and then I'm going to lay those down or mold those down and seal the deal with this lace. And like I said, I'm going to use the Nairobi setting foam and the even lace spray, but we using the black bottle this time, sis. Okay, once that lace is done melting, you want to take your scissors and cut off the white strip. This is what it looks like. Don't worry about if you see, little excess or some little stickiness. We're going to clean that up. That's nothing. So I had my hair parted like I was going to do a half up, half down with a bang, but we ended up not doing that. So what I'm going to do is a side part, and I'm going to go in and clean that up and define that a little bit. So I'm going to take my nutrients wax stick and my hot comb to flatten out my hairline, make sure everything's nice and flat before I do these baby hairs. Don't burn yourself. And I know I got like that little highlighted patch in the back of my little part. Don't worry about that. I'm going to fix that too. I think I ended up fixing that off camera. But when we finish, it's going to be fixed. It's not going to look so highlighty and bright back there. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation powder, and this is a shade lighter than me. And I'm just going to go in really in my temple area and on my sideburns just to get those little dark areas of the lace that look dark. I want to lighten those up. I'm not going to put that in the middle of my forehead. I do not want to put that right there. You do not want to put that right there. Do not put that right there. Do not put that right there. Do not. It will look very wiggish when you put light powder right there in the middle of your forehead. I am going to put some down my part because you want your part, your scalp. It's white, light. It's not dark. So define it, clean it up, and that's what I'm doing. Once we do that, we're going to take the, Kaposi or mini straightener, whatever. I got mine off Amazon. And I'm going to curl these baby hairs up, pre-curl them up like so. And once I do that, I'm going to take my eyebrow spoolie. You can use an eyebrow spoolie or an eyebrow brush or a comb, whichever one you choose, girl, whatever floats your boat. And I'm going to go right back in with my same Nairobi setting foam and a little bit of got to be glued and do these baby hairs. Y'all, I try my best to get this on camera and for it to focus, but I always be out of focus when I be doing my baby hairs for some reason. So I'm trying my best, y'all. It's 2022, new year. I'm trying. But the up close, it's working. You get the gist of the idea, and it's all gonna come together. We're gonna get it together. But just keep swooping till you get the swoop look that you're going for. Like I said, I'm doing something simple, so I wasn't really having to do too much. And then once we do that, we are going to get into curling, some cute little wand curls, and then that will complete the look. Okay, to do these curls, I'm going to take my Conair, I think this is a 1-inch barrel wand curler. I got this from like Dollar General like maybe 6 or 7 years ago, girl. I done had this for so long. And I sped this process up because it takes forever. But you see the curl, you see the idea, you see what we're giving. I wanted like some mermaid curls, some loose beach wave curls. And I only left them on the barrel wand for like, I don't know, 10-20 seconds, and then let them drop. For a loose beach wave looking or a mermaid look, it was really cute. But like I said, I sped this up, but I'm going to show you guys me doing one whole side, and then we're going to come back with the finished look.
Alright, ladies, this is the finished look. And I'm 5 foot even, so this hair is 26 inches. And hold on, y'all, I'm so small. Let me get my chair. Okay. My hair is 26 inches, and it comes to a little bit past my waist. And then when I let it go with the curls, it comes, I say, to my belly button. But the hair holds a really good curl. And it's so lustery. Like, I like that the hair doesn't feel dry for this to be, you know, pre-colored hair. It's definitely giving. Super cute. And again, WestKissHair right here. Love them. Hair is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. This is WestKissHair. This is their 200 density, and y'all, it is super full. It is super full. This is the back. Okay, 2022. Super full. 200 density. It is a 13x4, so you could do minimal to deep parting spots. As you guys can see, I did me a deep side part, but you could definitely do middle parts if you want to, and deep side parts on the other side if you wanted to. I didn't, so I didn't. But yeah, 13x4 lace. It is, like I said, 200 density. It did come in 26 inches. I did not have to pluck this unit. I did go in and bleach the knots beforehand, just because with the hair being pre-colored, I could see like the little red knots, and I did not. Please pray for my mom. She's in the ICU. Sorry. I didn't like the little dark knots that were showing, so I did go ahead and bleach knots on the wig, but I did not have to pluck it or anything. It did come pre-plucked. Let's see, I think that's about it. I would give this hair, I would say, a 8 out of 10, just because I had to bleach the knots, but it did come pre-plucked. The hair is definitely full. It is definitely 200 density. It's definitely the length that they say it is. It's definitely the color. I love the lace. Like, everything looks so good. So yeah, I'm gonna say 8 or 9 out of a 10, sis. But if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.